Hey everyone, welcome back to our medicinal plant series. Today we're exploring the earthy and aromatic world of sage. This ancient herb has been revered for its culinary use, but its health benefits are just as impressive. Native to the Mediterranean region, sage has been used for thousands of years in cooking, medicine, and even in spiritual practices. The name sage comes from the Latin word salvare, which means to save, reflecting its long-standing reputation as a healing herb. In ancient Rome, sage was considered sacred and was believed to have protective properties. Today, sage is a staple in kitchens around the world, known for its earthy flavor and wide range of health benefits. Sage is celebrated for its potent medicinal properties, thanks to its rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils. The herb is loaded with compounds like rosmarinic acid, camphor, and flavonoids, which have strong anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant effects. These properties make sage a powerful herb for supporting brain health, improving digestion, and boosting the immune system. Sage is also known for its potential to balance hormones, making it particularly beneficial for women's health. Let's dive into the science behind sage. Studies have shown that sage can help improve cognitive function and memory thanks to its ability to inhibit enzymes that break down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for learning and memory. This makes sage a promising natural remedy for conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Sage's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties also make it effective in treating sore throats, gum infections, and other oral health issues. Additionally, sage has been found to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and night sweats. Sage offers a wide range of health benefits. It's most well known for its ability to boost brain function and enhance memory, making it a popular choice for those looking to support cognitive health. Sage's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also support heart health by reducing oxidative stress and lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, sage is great for digestive health. It can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas by stimulating bile flow and supporting liver function. Sage is also a natural remedy for sore throats and respiratory issues thanks to its antimicrobial effects. Incorporating sage into your daily routine is simple and versatile. You can use fresh or dry sage in cooking to add flavor to meats, soups, and stews. Sage tea is another popular way to enjoy its benefits. Simply steep a few fresh sage leaves or a teaspoon of dried sage in hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Sage essential oil can be used in aromatherapy to enhance focus and mental clarity, or diluted with a carrier oil for topical use to relieve muscle pain and improve skin health. Sage is also commonly used in smudging rituals to purify the air and create a calming environment. Sage is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can chop fresh sage leaves and add them to stuffing, roasted vegetables, and pasta dishes for a burst of flavor. Sage pairs particularly well with poultry, pork, and root vegetables. Sage tea is soothing and can be enhanced with a bit of honey and lemon. If you're looking to make a natural mouthwash, you can steep sage leaves in boiling water, let it cool, and use it to rinse your mouth to help fight oral bacteria. For a relaxing bath, add a few drops of sage essential oil to your bath water to relieve stress and muscle tension. While sage is generally safe for most people when used in culinary amounts, it's important to use it with caution, especially in its concentrated forms like essential oils or extracts. Sage essential oil should always be diluted with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin, as it can cause irritation in its undiluted form. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have epilepsy, it's best to avoid sage essential oil due to its high concentration of thujone, which can be toxic in large amounts. Additionally, sage supplements should be used under the guidance of a healthcare provider, especially if you're managing chronic health conditions. When purchasing sage, whether fresh, dried, or as an essential oil, quality is key. Fresh sage leaves should be vibrant green and fragrant, with no signs of wilting or discoloration. Dry sage should retain a strong, earthy aroma and have a rich green color. Avoid dry sage that looks brown or faded. If you're buying sage essential oil, look for 100% therapeutic grade oil that's free from additives or synthetic ingredients. For the best quality, choose organic sage products that are sustainably sourced and grown without the use of pesticides. Sage is truly a remarkable herb, offering a wide range of health benefits, from boosting brain function and improving digestion to supporting heart health and enhancing your culinary creations. Whether you're cooking with it, sipping it as a tea, or using it in aromatherapy, sage is a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily routine. Thanks for joining us on this episode of our Medicinal Plant Series. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into plants that keep us healthy and vibrant.